In this new budget, you can add your budget values. You can enter income, like this. You can enter your account income, and you can enter expenses. Like that, you can enter your income and expenses. After you enter income and expenses, you can view the total income, cost of sales, total expenses, and you can view the total profit and loss. After that, you can save this budget. Right. Now we have created the budget. If you want, you can view the budget versus actual. Here you can select the budget name, and you can select the period. You can view the budget values, actual values, and budget variance. Like this, if it is you achieved actual income is lesser than, it will display variance in red color, and if your expenses is lesser than the budgeted value, it will display in green color. Like that, you can view budget versus actual values.